Hello everyone, welcome to day 13. It's Friday the 13th and we're going to have a little champagne tonight. Oh yes. So we're down to 3 boxes, Jason.
Yeah.
What are we going to do to fill our time? So this will now be our first box of Revolution Beauty. Day number 13.
Lucky.
I'm just going to take that 12 off. Day number 13 is right here. It's a big door. Ooh.
Oh, that's nice.
That's a nice day. Happy day to me. So we've got a little eyeshadow, wee little palette. So this is an eyeshadow palette with no colors listed. So that's fun. It's a nice neutral palette. I've got some browns and some
Aquamarine.
There's no aquamarine, you nut.
Right there.
Where do you think there's an
The last one on... Oh, that's charcoal.
Yeah, that's like a charcoal color. Let's do a couple swatches. I like this rust color a lot. Brown, and we'll do one of the lighter colors. So here are the colors. I mean, they don't swatch the greatest, but when you can build them up for sure, that's better. So that is day number 13 of the Revolution Makeup 24-day box. Next up is day 13 of our Love Lust Disco box. Jason, you're being very quiet today.
Sorry.
So here's day number 13. You had no exciting commentary for the eyeshadows other than aquamarine. Oh, what do we have here? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Blush?
No. So we have got a duochromatic illuminating powder.
Why is it duochromatic?
In the shade Snow Rose. I honestly I couldn't tell you, Jason.
It's a pretty fancy name. Did not know the meaning.
But I don't use an illuminating powder
I
ever.
need for them to advertise that. I don't know.
Well, we'll swatch it and we'll see. So that's what it looks like in the pan.
Looks like one chroma.
Oh no! You see, there's like a pink tone to it. That's cool.
It's like the inside of a pearl.
Yeah.
It's kind of neat.
So it's white and then it turns to pink.
That's really nice. I like
Isn't that cool, Jason?
Yeah. Now I know what duochromatic means too.
It means 2 chromes. 2 of them.
2 chromes.
It's not a trichrome.
Oh, that would have been even more impressive.
Okay, so that was day 13 of the NYX Love Lust Disco box, which brings us already to our last box of the day.
Everybody's favorite box anyway.
It's my favorite box. And day 13. Oh, it's a little box. Right here.
It's tall, kind of tall. No?
It's a little tiny baby box. I like big boxes. I like big boxes. I cannot lie. That was not good. Okay, so day 13, we got a tiny little tube of something. What did we get? We got a mascara. That's a weird looking mascara. So it's an Ico Black Magic mascara for drama and curl. You ever seen a mascara like this, Jason?
Interesting.
I mean, it's very, very tiny.
Doesn't look like you got the stuff on the... Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, so let's just... I don't know why I did that. That's what it looks like.
Puts
Jason,
a lot on.
would you like to tell me about this
oh, that's the
Ico Black Magic mascara? Okay, tell me all about it.
Okay, so you want to know the price first? Or?
Let's wipe this mess. I would like to know everything you can tell me about it.
I think you're going to be impressed. Like, for the amount that it looks like you get, the cost of it
What is the amount? Let me check. 2 milliliters.
Yeah, the cost is $26 for that much. It's pretty crazy, isn't it?
I'm sorry. Pardon?
$26.
You mean $2.60?
There is no period.
$26 for this tiny little mascara.
That's what it says.
Okay, tell me all about it. Why
It's
why
a
is it so expensive?
3-in-1 mascara, and it's sure to add drama and curl to your lashes for a show-stopping look. For $26, you can probably put it on what, twice with that amount of there?
Well, you are supposed to throw out your mascaras fairly regularly, so it says designed for after-hours seduction. Where are my glasses? I can't hardly read this. Please bear with me. Designed for after-hours seduction, our unique brush creates drama, volume, and curl, combined with an extreme carbon black water-resistant finish. There you go. $30 what dollars?
26.
$26.
It's not a budget mascara.
It's not a budget mascara. It's not for people on a beer budget. I don't know that I loved today, you know? Maybe it's because I had less presents for myself. I only have 3. Where's the other thing? I've already forgotten what we've got. Oh, right here.
It was the Duo Chromatic.
This is what we got.
Those are really nice things. I'm impressed with that Duo Chromatic.
I know, but like...
I thought it was a really
to try
stupid
it.
gimmick, but then I saw it work on your skin. I was like, damn, that is 2 chromatics.
Okay, let's say that these are all my favorites. Because I can't choose one that I like the least. I didn't love today. Okay, we'll go with the eyeshadow.
You didn't like the mascara. I could tell you that right now.
You what?
You didn't like the mascara.
No.
Yeah.
It's like little baby.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go with the eyeshadow palette.
All right. That's fair.
And then the mascara just because I'll use it, right? Like, I don't know that I'll use this.
Put it on your cheeks like here, and then you look
Like
two-toned.
a sexy
I don't know.
robot Tin Man?
Yeah. I don't know.
I will do some research on this and see where and how to apply it best. So I don't look like a clown. Well, thank you everyone for watching. I hope you all have a fabulous day. Cheers. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, I'd very much appreciate it. Have a great day. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 14. It's almost Christmas. I can't believe it.